So what is Salmonella bacteria? Salmonella is a gram-negative bacteria that with a rod-shaped appearance, including 2 to 5 UN of a cell diameter and a width of from 0.7 to 1.5 UN, so pretty small. Salmonella can grow in pH value that ranges from 3.8 to 9.5. And the pH value pH ranges from 7 to 7.5, often viewed as the most optimal level to grow Salmonella. For temperature ranges of degree temperature from 5.2 degrees Celsius to 46.2 degrees Celsius can grow fast. In raw milk cheese, which containing 0.93 water activity and above. Salmonella are also a non-spore-forming bacteria, which means it do not produce any spores during its bacterial growth. So and there's no impact to the milk spoilage. Salmonella also belongs to facultative anaerobe, which means Salmonella can survive in environment, and both the environment oxygen presence and also oxygen absence. So it also often viewed as the most adaptable bacteria as well. Most Salmonella bacteria are can be found in food products, especially in raw food products, including raw vegetable, raw eggs, raw chicken, and raw fruits. Most of Salmonella bacteria live and grow in the intestine of natural animals, and also it could trigger the mastitis of in goat or cow as well. And hot weather is the more likely to trigger Salmonella growth. Yeah. And for the outbreak event and statistic, raw milk cheese has been linked to 16 large Salmonella foodborne outbreaks in France between 2008 to 2018, accounting for a third of all Salmonella outbreaks with a no source. There are over 1 million Salmonella infection cases in the United States, according to CDC. Over 20,000 people sent to hospitalizations, and approximately 400 deaths occur each year. There were over similar situations also occur in Australia. There were over 400 Salmonella infection outbreaks that caused by contaminated food from 2013 to 2015, which affected over 7,000 people and resulting in 700 hospitalization and 18 deaths, according to one study. In a global perspective, Salmonella foodborne disease can cause annually 93.8 million cases and up to 155,000 deaths happen globally. So what is salmonellosis? Salmonellosis is a foodborne disease that caused by Salmonella, as previously mentioned, and it is also like to prevalent in warmer season, like from late spring to early autumn. Salmonellosis can be contagious as well. People who get salmonellosis can spread to another person if they have close contacts. And a common symptom, as previously mentioned, have diarrhea, fever, stomach flu, and gastrointestinal pain. And these symptoms usually appear from 6 hours to 7 days after infection, and it continue up to a week. The incubation period is 6 to 72 hours after injection, and duration and infection lasts 3 to 7 days. The most sensitive groups of people, such as young kids aged below 5 and elderly people aged above 65, are most likely to infect Salmonella foodborne disease. And food products that contaminated by Salmonella are always show similar quality of flavor, smell, and appearance as normal food product. So there's no big difference between flavor and its look, and which is hard to see from its appearance, and consumer cannot recognize as very quick. So therefore ensuring prevention in food processing and storage seems very important to the raw milk cheese company.